So finally, my new MacBook is here.
Thank you.
I am so excited. You know what? This actually feels like the really old MacBook. And look at that, how it is engraved. I love the details. It is beautiful. I don't love buying new things and I don't love buying expensive things, but this one was just over 7,000 New Zealand dollars. This might seem expensive. However, my old MacBook Pro served me so well. It's nearly 10 years old and it's still working properly, but now it was time to invest into a new MacBook because my old one just doesn't do 4K video editing that well. This is the first video that I'm going to edit on my new MacBook Pro, so I'm really interested how fast it is. It took nearly 2 months to ship it to New Zealand because, you know, chip shortage. I don't think you actually can see comparison between the two nowadays because everybody has the newer MacBook. Let's just set it up, shall we? Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. But look, it looks like it applies like a beautifying filter, or am I this? When we look at them side by side, they are pretty much the same size. And the old one is 13-inch and the new one is the 14-inch MacBook Pro. And weight-wise, they are equally heavy. This is my new one and this is my old MacBook Pro. It's 9 years old. When we look at this side, there is a little difference only. Both of them have SD card slot and a display port. Both of them are using MagSafe charger and also they have headphone jacks as well. I love the silver color and I've never been a fan of the space gray color, so it wasn't even a question which one I'm going to pick. The new MacBook Pro comes with a Liquid Retina XDR display. What does it mean? We have no idea, but it sounds awesome, so it just makes you want to have one. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed this video because this is a little bit different compared to what I usually do. So let me know what you think and I see you next time. Bye.